Hello everyone, my name is Theresa, and on this channel I do subscription unboxings, which can consist of makeup, skincare, body care, candles, fragrances, and every so often you'll see me do a lifestyle box. But today's video is Boxycharm. Now this box here is the base box. It is $27.99, you might as well say $28 plus tax, and it's free shipping. When you open the box, it is red. That right there lets you know it is the base box. And every so often you'll get a box that's smaller than this when it's just like small items inside the box. I took everything out so that this video can move a little faster. The theme, as it is for the premium box, is Super Bloom. I like the purple on the card. On this side here, they give you prices, what the item is, and a brief description. My variation is 33. Okay, so the first thing out of this box is from Complex Culture. And it is a highlighter and bronzer quad. They say that this here is a new launch. Those are the colors, and I will swatch a couple. And that's what it looks like on my skin tone. Okay. I don't know why this is, oh, the plastic is in the way. I was like, why isn't this darn tootin' thing closing? There we go. Alright. So, I didn't mean to put that down. Alright, so this quad, like I said, is a new launch. It's $42. It says, go for the glow with this creamy blendable foursome infused with skin-loving ingredients. Buildable formulas are baked to perfection to intensify the pigment for the vibrant colors that last. Enjoy the dewy effect of liquid into a convenience of a powder for a healthy dose of glow. Okay. Cute little packaging. The next thing is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is a Blur Moisturizer Serum Primer. Yeah, y'all can see it now. Okay, so this here. This says this refreshing gel serum primer instantly hydrates your skin, giving you a smooth, even canvas for makeup application with an active ingredient of salicylic 8. You will notice your skin hydration level boost by 6,000% within 30 days. Packed with clean powerhouse ingredients like hyaluronic acid, a trehalose, biotin, and a unique sugar complex that delivers a burst of hydration that helps your skin maintain the moisture. Plus it has a refreshing cooling effect that sure will wake up your skin. $28. And this does have a pump. Cap is plastic. And it's actually full, y'all. And the next item is from, I've never heard of this company. Oh, Item Beauty by Allison Ray. Isn't she a TikToker? Okay, so this is a Air Hug Concealer. It says when you need a course of correct, this medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go. This lightweight formula features a caraca papaya fruit extract to deliver a boost of yummy antioxidants like vitamin C and lends a smooth, seamless finish. Its pillowy texture glides on effortlessly and melts into your skin without a crease in sight. So this is $18. Let's see here. Now, I normally don't do stuff like this, but let's check it out, and I'm gonna do it with my finger. You see that? This is too dark. Okay. And the next item, let's switch hands here. So the next item is from Cosmetics. And this here is like a lip oil. You have a lemon lime and a lemon. I got last time I got this, it was blue. I can't remember what the scent was, but it wasn't bad. So let me get one of these little makeup wipes here, because this is killing me on my fingers. Sorry about that, everyone. But yeah, that's a little too dark for me. Okay. So this is what the dough fruit looks like. I like how it has a little indent there. And when you take the thing out, it's not really full. But it does smell like lemon lime. And that lip dual is $39. Okay. And, oh, and then the sponge. We got a sponge from Yenza. It says Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge. So this sponge here, I'm not going to take it out the plastic, but that's the sponge, and it's $18. It says this Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge gives a full coverage but skin-like finish, multi-purpose, and reusable with a gentle wash after each use. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. Let me put this down. So we have the sponge, we have the concealer, we have the lip oil duo, we have from Dominique Cosmetics, her serum moisturizing blur moisturizing serum primer, and from Complex Culture you have the highlighter and the bronzing thing. Okay, so I'm excited about the actual lip oils, you know, but I mean, I'll give the stuff a try, you know what I mean? Maybe I can mix this with something else that I have, because like I said, that's not really working for me. And it could be I did it with my fingers, so I'm gonna let that go. Alright, so like I said, my variation was $33. The value of this box is $145, and I only paid $28. Alright, everybody. My name is Theresa. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see each and every one of you in my next upload. Deuces.